Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is October the 18th, 2018, and I wanted to show you the burning bush here. Now this is just starting to turn, and it should turn completely red. So it's a little late turning this year. We had a really wet year this year. Most of the trees, they actually didn't even turn. The leaves were just falling off of them. So we really didn't have much of a fall display this year. But this has, you see little berries on it here. And this actually was actually a clearance rack find. I think maybe 8 years ago, possibly. We picked it up off of a clearance rack, and it has grown quite considerably since then. The deer do nip it off. They eat the branches on it, and they're eating the branches on my one hydrangea bush. So we did have an issue where the deer were eating it. We had to fence it for a while to try and keep them away from it. I just want to show this to you. And this will get a beautiful red when the whole thing turns. You can see it's starting to turn. It's not nowhere near being fully turned yet. But you see there's insect damage on it. Berries there. But I like burning bushes. They're really neat in the fall time. They really give a lot of nice color, and then they give the berries for the birds to eat. We just have picked a spot for it. When we did plant it, we put compost in with it. To help build our soil up for it, and that's the only thing that I can recall that we've ever given this. So you can see here, this is a pretty nice piece here that's turning. So if you're looking to add more fall color to your yard, I definitely recommend a burning bush. And when this thing turns the whole way, I'll come back with another video, and I'll show you then what it looks like. We did have a frost down in the hollow, but it didn't get to the top. So this is still going. And this does grow out in full sun. It seems to be pretty carefree maintenance wise. We do have where Japanese beetles sometimes will be a problem with it, so we get our traps out to help trap them. I did a video showing how we make Japanese beetle traps, and have what we use for them. That's on my YouTube channel. If you search for it, you'll find it on there. And it's a pretty carefree plant. And this does grow out in full sun. And they do get pretty big. So keep that in mind when you do your landscaping. It's a good idea to read the tags and find out how tall things are supposed to get. Now, even though they say like they put a maximum height on a plant, if it's in exceptionally good soil, or if it just really likes where it's growing at, it can actually exceed the height that it's supposed to get. So, and you can prune these. The deer pruned this one, so, and it hasn't hurt it. It's actually made it bushier. So I don't even have to prune this bush because the deer just do it for me. And if you live in a place where there are a lot of deer around, I do recommend like putting a fence up around it in like fall and winter time and spring, because when they're browsing looking for food, they'll just munch your plants down like crazy. So we have one up here that they just, well, it's more than one, they just eat whatever. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.